The grayscale shield. Have you ever wondered why you lose hours on Instagram or TikTok? The answer is hidden in the colors. Tech companies hire attention engineers to decide exactly which shades will trigger the most excitement in your brain. That bright red notification dot isn't a coincidence. It's designed to trigger an emergency signal in your mind. Our primitive brains are highly sensitive to vibrant colors. By switching your phone to grayscale mode, you end this psychological war instantly. Without color, your phone transforms from a magical portal into a lifeless piece of plastic and glass. Your eyes no longer get the candy they crave. You'll find yourself picking up your phone, finding it boring, and putting it back down. This is your first victory. The 60-minute morning moat. The first 60 minutes of your day are sacred ground. But what do? The moment we open our eyes, we flood our brains with negativity, stressful emails, and the perfect lives of others. This is called reactive living. You surrender your day before it even begins. A morning moat means building a fortress around your early hours. When you don't touch your phone for the first hour after waking up, you allow your brain to stay in alpha and theta waves, the states best for creativity and deep thought. If you conquer yourself in the morning, you can conquer the world. The notification massacre. Imagine you're in a deep sleep and someone wakes you up every 2 minutes. Would you ever feel refreshed? Absolutely not. Your focus works the same way. Research shows that just looking at a notification causes your IQ to drop temporarily by 10 points. This is called attention residue. Even after you put the phone down, a part of your brain is still thinking about that message. You are never 100% present, so pick up your phone and be ruthless. Turn off every notification except for direct calls and urgent messages. This is the greatest gift you can give yourself. The freedom to think. The 20-foot physical rule. Your willpower is like a phone battery, full in the morning and depleted by evening. If your phone is sitting on your desk, you are subconsciously draining your battery just by not touching it. There's a war going on in the back of your mind. Should I check it? No. Work? Just once? No. By evening, you're mentally exhausted. The solution is practical and keep your phone in another room, or at least 20 feet away. When the phone is out of reach, you have to stand up and walk to get it. Your lazy brain will often decide it's easier to just stay focused on the work in front of you. Distance is the mother of discipline. Search only YouTube. The YouTube algorithm is the world's most sophisticated trap. It shows you what you want to see, not what you need to see. You come for a tutorial, and 3 hours later, you're watching random comedy clips. This is a robbery of your time. Make it a rule. Use YouTube like a surgical strike. Go straight to the search bar, get the information, and get out. Treat the home feed like it's poison. Remember, if you aren't paying for the product, you are the product being sold to advertisers. The digital sunset. The digital sunset nature designed our bodies to move with the sun, but the blue light from our screens is messing with our internal clocks. Using your phone at night tells your brain the sun is still out. This spikes cortisol and kills melatonin. Draw a line at 9 p.m. No more digital light. When you spend your night without a screen, your mind calms down. Memories are consolidated, and you fall into a sleep that truly rejuvenates you for the next day. Breaking the infinite scroll. Have you ever wondered why Instagram or Facebook don't have page numbers? It's because they never want you to stop. It's a bottomless pit. Our brains feel satisfied when a task is complete, but here, nothing ever ends. The strongest way to break this trap is to delete these apps from your phone. If you must use them only on a laptop. This creates friction. When you have to open a browser and type a password, your brain will ask, is this really worth it? And usually the answer will be no. Attention stamina training. We have become slaves to 15-second entertainment. A 10-minute video or a serious article feels like a chore. Our attention span has shriveled. Just as lifting weights builds muscle, focusing on difficult things strengthens the brain. Challenge yourself daily. Read a book or listen to a deep podcast for 30 minutes without touching your phone. At first, your mind will wander, you'll feel bored, but that's exactly when your attention span is growing. Don't fear boredom. Boredom is the gateway to greatness. The Curiosity Journal. Have you noticed that the moment a question pops into our heads, we pull out our phones? This habit is killing our patience. We are victims of instant gratification. From now on, keep a small notebook nearby. Whatever you want to search for, write it down. Don't pick up the phone. Once a day, say at 6 p.m., pick up your phone and search for everything at once. You'll find that 90% of the questions that felt urgent at noon no longer matter. This is a massive saving of your mental energy. The analog sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for your peace of mind. Protect it from the invasion of the digital world. Charging your phone outside the bedroom isn't an option, it's a necessity. When the first thing in your hand in the morning is a book or a glass of water rather than a phone, you are the master of your day. Buy a simple analog alarm clock that wakes you with a gentle ring, not the noise of notifications. Make your bedroom a room of silence again. Dopamine fasting. Finally, the most powerful habit, going completely off one day a week. Call it a digital fast. No phone, no internet, no TV. This day isn't about disconnecting from the world. It's about reconnecting with yourself. You might feel lonely at first, but in that silence, you'll find the answers that Google can't give you. This resets your brain's receptors. After this one day, you'll see the world through a different lens, clearer, more colorful, and more peaceful. These 12 habits aren't just rules. They are your path to freedom. We've lost ourselves in this world of pixels while real life is waiting outside, in the air, in our relationships, and in the silence of our own thoughts. Pick just one of these 12 habits today, just one, and take your life back into your own hands. Your future depends on where you place your attention. Place it wisely.